In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Desktop VR. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find SteamVR in the Steam Store and get it installed on your PC. Before we start, make sure you're on a computer with the Steam Desktop app installed and that you're signed into your Steam account. A stable internet connection and a little free disk space will help the download go smoothly. Begin by opening Steam. This takes you to the home area where you can browse games and tools. If you're using the desktop client, you'll see a familiar top navigation bar. Move your mouse to the store option at the top. Hovering over it reveals the store interface, including the search tool you'll need next. Look for the search bar near the upper right corner and type SteamVR. This is the official virtual reality runtime and tools package distributed through Steam. You're looking for the listing published by Valve. It's free, widely used, and it's the foundation many VR titles rely on. Click into the Steam VR store page to continue. On the Steam VR page, select the green Play Game button. For free software on Steam, this button is how you start the install process. It doesn't immediately launch anything. It simply begins preparing the files for your system. A small window will appear asking where to put the files and confirming the download size. Click Install to proceed. If you have more than one Steam library folder, choose the drive with the most space before confirming. Steam will begin downloading and installing SteamVR automatically. You can monitor progress in your downloads view, and you can continue using Steam while it finishes. That's it. You've gone to Steam, navigated the store, searched for SteamVR, selected Play Game, and confirmed install. Once the download completes, SteamVR will be available in your library and ready for use the next time you're setting up your VR experience. If you ever need to reinstall, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring VR through Steam.